How long am I supposed to hold this pose? Is this the thumbnail?
Unique New York.
Oh, again with that. Hey guys, hello, we keep it dirty off-road, and we're back again today to do another video on the Black Armour bed mats. And this time we got Jason with us again.
I'm back.
If you guys saw our video a couple weeks ago, we cut up a Black Armour mat and put it in the truck. Now that wasn't probably the best way to really showcase it, so today we're going to put it on Jason's F150, and he's running, what, 2017?
2017.
Okay.
Same size bed as a Raptor.
Yeah, so the inside dimensions of all the, whether it's an F-150 Platinum or whatever, or the Raptor, as long as you have a short bed, they're all identical on the inside. Doesn't matter how wide the Raptor one is. Let's get to it. Jason's bed's a little bit different than mine, right? You got this, what is this tire rack called? Who makes this?
Honestly, I can't remember.
A bunch of people make this tire rack. It's basically just two hooks on one side and then a hook on the other side, right? And it uses the bed bolts. Typical setup that you would normally see. What we're going to do is we're going to take this out, drop in the armor mat, and see where we're going to cut. Because I think what we're going to do is probably just cut some squares for these.
That'd
right?
probably be the easiest.
Yeah, do one square for these, and then one square for that one. Do 3 cuts total, and cover that up with the bed mat. It might look a little bit off on this side though.
Hey, but it'll give it a flusher surface to store something or, you know, whatever. So
let's go ahead and get the tire off and do it.
cool.
Heavy, huh?
A little bit.
You don't think it would be that heavy, but it's fucking dense.
Dense as hell.
Come on, say it, Jason, say it.
I hit it with your big purse.
Let's get it in. I heard my name twice. Huh? I'm stuck. Oh. I'll get inside the bed. It's so weird when the grown-up wants to go in the bed. You can tell he has no kids. We really need to mark the first one, so that's the one that matters. I just wanted to see how it fit. It'll be a tight fit once this goes down. So I think what we'll do then is we'll measure to the actual specs and then cut it up.
So we're just gonna cut like from here to here.
Yeah, try to get just that square out so not to get anything else out. Let's get it out.
Inch out? That's not fair.
Alright, we have our areas marked. Right, that's our first square. That's our second square. I know it's not easy to see in the daylight. Next thing we need to do is go ahead and actually cut our reference with the box cutter knife. And then we need something underneath to prop it up so that we can get into the crack and cut it.
And spread it.
And spread it, yes. Ready? Oh, fuck. Yeah, that was good. All right, move side. Move side. Look at that. That came out just right. Oh, so close. My skinny bones can't do it.
Step on it around the edge.
There it is. Christian's got it.
Because he's heavier.
Nope. It's not because I'm heavier, because I'm smart. Why you guys gotta be assholes to each other?
All about physics.
I literally said
I'm not in physics.
All right, get out of there. And there she is. All right.
Thumbnail.
So I think what we'll do now is we'll get the awning out of the way, let the sun bake it a little bit, so that it can let it form. But it came out perfect, dude.
Oh yeah.
Fucking homos. So that's it. We got it installed. What do you think, Jason?
That was ridiculously quick. even with having to modify it.
Yeah, so if all you're doing is just installing it, you have a clean bed, all you got to do is drop it in. You don't have to do any cuts like we do. We carry stuff, you got a tire thing on there, so we had to cut it. One thing to note though, if you are going to do like a jack mount or something like that, you want to cut out the whole area for the jack mount. You don't want to have it sandwich the rubber in between the plate that's going to hold the jack mount and this. It doesn't work. I've seen other people try it. It doesn't work. So we're going to do some follow-up videos on this thing and talk about some of the protection qualities of this mat. We may even reenact that Chevy commercial.
I think that would be pretty fun.
We also got a giveaway coming up for these mats. It's going to be in July. We're working with the Dirt Nation Off-Road guys to set it up. But basically, we're going to do Burns Canyon and do a run that starts off at Pioneertown and make our way all the way up to Big Bear. Anybody's welcome to come to that run. We'll put the details of that run as soon as we have it below.
Can I come?
No.
Okay.
So we'll put the details of that run below. Anybody's allowed to come. I think it's going to be July 28th, Saturday, July 28th.
So it's going to be Toyota guys, Jeep guys,
whoever wants to come.
F150, Raptor guys.
That's right. It's going to be a free run with the guys down at Dirt Nation Off-Road. And on that run, we're going to be giving away 2 mats. We're going to give away an F150 map that'll work on any 2015 or newer F150. Doesn't matter if it's a Raptor or not. And a Toyota mat. And I think it works on the 5th gen, whatever Dustin's truck is. So we'll be giving away both of those. It is going to be a free raffle. Nobody has to buy in or anything like that. So come out and join us on a run. It's going to be a nice mixed run. It's not going to be too crazy. It's not going to be too fast, but it's not going to be slow either. It's just a nice little mountain run to go from the desert all the way up into the mountains and escape the heat a little bit.
That'll be nice.
All right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Put any comments or questions below.
And check out Black Armour bed mats if you want to get yourself one before the run.
All right, guys. See you on the next one.